Hello, this is Digital Finance Learning, and today we're going to show you how to create pivot tables in Google Sheets. So we have a sales tracker open, and from previous videos you've seen how we interacted with the sales tracker. But let's say we want to make a pivot of the customer and also which area they're in. So let's do that now. So if you go to the Data tab and click on Pivot Table, it sets a data range, so you can see it's going from A1 to I19, and that's what we want. And you can either insert the pivot table in a new sheet or existing sheet. So let's say we want to make it in a new sheet. Let's hit create, and you can see it created a pivot table in a new sheet, and this called it pivot table 2. And the best thing about Google Sheets is it does recommend you different fields that you can add. So it's telling us we can add the average of contract amount for each area, number of unique sales contact for each manager, and then count of customer for each product. But let's say for now we just want the customer and the area they're in. So let's do that now. So we can click on the rows add button, and let's say we want to add the customer. So it did add the customer in the rows, but now let's say we want to add the areas to figure out which area the customer is from. Let's do that now, and let's add area to the rows. And there we go. We can see the customer and which area they're from. But let's say we want to get rid of subtotals. So let's uncheck the show totals box, and let's do that for area as well. So now we just have a list of customers and then the area they're from. So creating pivots is very similar to Excel. I'd recommend Google Sheets over Excel, to be honest, because it does have more capabilities. I love how it recommends you different columns and rows to add. And see you in the next video.